Hello, this is your girl May Vanessa. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for subscribing and tuning in. Today I am going to be making fruit cups. First things first, I am going to be starting with my cantaloupe. You can use whatever fruits you want, but for this fruit cup I am using cantaloupe, watermelon, cucumbers, and mangoes. So I am cutting out a cantaloupe first in smaller sizes in portions that I'm able to cut them out. Feel free to use whatever fruits you want to use, guys. I am just using this. I'm cutting them out in smaller pieces and I am going to be putting them into the bowl on the right of me as I go along. You want to be careful with the knife as you're cutting this. I'm pretty comfortable cutting it like this, but if you are not, please do use your cutting board. If you are comfortable, then by all means go ahead. So depending on the quantity that you're using, you can use all of it or you can just use according to the quantity that you're using. My quantity was pretty big, so I did have to cut out a lot. Now I'm gonna be cutting out my cucumbers. So I'm just taking the peeling off and then I'm going to start cutting them out. And I'm just chopping it off into smaller pieces. And then I'm going to put them in the bowl. Now I'm going to be cutting this big old watermelon. Ooh, did you see the splash? Be careful with the splash, but I'm going to be cutting out the watermelon. Because the watermelon is so big, guys, I did not use all of it. I think this is the only portion that I used. Yeah, this is all that I used and then I just kept the rest of it. So again, I'm going to be cutting them out into smaller bite sizes. The sizing really doesn't matter, honestly. Whatever you think is measurable, whatever you think is a good size for you, just cut them out as you see fit. Guys, if you can see, this bowl was obviously too small for the fruits. So I had to get something a little bigger. And if that happens to be the case for you, just go ahead and switch out to something bigger. I'm gonna continue cutting out here. Trying to make this into smaller portions as much as I can. Okay, now we're gonna start cutting out and peeling the mangoes. I absolutely love mangoes. Well, they're one of my favorite fruits. So I'm peeling the mangoes and I'm gonna add it into the mixture of fruits. Guys, this fruit mix, I had to try one. I couldn't help myself. This fruit mix, guys, it's really healthy. This is just a healthy choice of snack, honestly. So I'm all done cutting out my fruits and I'm just gonna cut out some lemons. For this, you do not have to use lemons. It's optional, so I advise you not to mix it into all of it, but just have it on the side for whoever might want it. So that's my chamoy. I am putting it into the plastic cups and I'm just adding in fruits as I go. It doesn't matter what fruit you're adding, just mix it up. Adding in more chamoy, adding in more. Yep. I'm adding in some tahine. If you do not know what this is, for my Africans out there or my Liberians, if you don't know what this is or if you don't have it, you can just put in regular pepper dust and that will work as well. So I'm mixing, shake. Adding a little bit more. I really wanted it to be full, so I added a little bit more chamoy and tahine, and we are gonna shake. We're doing the shaky dance, guys. I'm gonna add in some lemon, and that's about it, guys. This is it. This is how you make your fruit cup. Very easy from the comfort of your home. Very simple. Thank you for watching, guys.